inside the pot, and I'm boiling my spaghetti noodles because this is how I'm gonna make my shrimp linguine. So right now I got the spaghetti noodles boiling. They looking right. Added my salt in it, a little bit of oil. So we're gonna let that boil for a good 20 minutes. Okay, so right now I have my large jumbo shrimp. This is what I'm gonna make my shrimp linguine with. So I'm using my pure Eagle Spice pure garlic seasoning. I'm gonna let that marinate and sprinkle that all over my shrimp to let it just marinate. I love it to be very garlicky. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of parsley. Okay, just sprinkle just a little on top of parsley. Okay, just to let that settle. And then I'm gonna let these jumbo shrimps just sit and just marinate into the seasoning while my spaghetti noodles are on the fire, cooking right now. So now I got my shrimp cooking right now. Yes, the shrimp is cooking right now. And as you can see, I'm gonna sprinkle some more garlic on top of it. And then I'm gonna put the top over the shrimp and just let it marinate with the butter. Okay, as you can see, I use the Gotham pan still. So this shrimp is gonna cook. It's on low, and we're just gonna let the shrimp just marinate and wait for it to get done. So now I'm gonna fry my fish. Woo! In my Louisiana batter. This is my second batch right here. Woo! Yes. Frying this fish, honey. Frying this fish. Look at that fish. Ooh, it's looking so good. Yes. Making sure that batter is coming out right. Ooh, sorry, y'all. Yes, gotta make sure. Ooh, let me fix this little fish right here. So yes, this fish is frying right now in the Louisiana batter that I have. And yeah, so we're gonna get this seafood popping. I already finished my shrimp linguine, you guys, like I voila, this is my shrimp linguine. This is how it looks. It is so delicious. It looks so good, don't it? You see the nice big jumbo shrimp? I'm loving it, how it came out. You see them shrimp sticking out of there? That's my famous shrimp linguine.